So here's how to add domain in Shopify. Adding a domain in Shopify customizes your store's web address, enhancing brand identity and professionalism. So here's how we are going to do it. First things first, if you are new in your Shopify, then you have here your setup guide. So here are 6 of the things that you should do first before you are going to begin. And one of them is your custom domain. So here it is. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. Click add domain. Now, as of the moment, this is my domain. So as you can see, it's just a bunch of numbers and then .myshopify.com. So if you are going to go ahead and click buy domain, you will be able to have here your own domain. So I'm just going to go ahead and call this one the unnamedstore.com. So as you can see, it is available. However, it's going to cost me $15 per year, which is, I think, a good one. However, if you're going to go ahead and scroll down here, there are other options and as well as the cost of them. So for example, the unnamedstore.ph is going to cost me $108 per year. The unnamedstore.net is going to cost me 18, and so on and so forth. So if you're not satisfied with yours, just go ahead and try to see the suggested domains down here. So say for example, this is what I want to go with. I can just go ahead and click buy domain. And then down here, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the necessary information and then go ahead and scroll down here for more, and you should see an option that says buy domain. So if I were to click this one here, I should be redirected to my billing and then I'll have to pay for it. But that is basically how it goes. So yep, I hope this video has been helpful. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to add domain in your Shopify store. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.